Hi, today we are going to learn significant figures and decimal places. So let's learn significant figures first. First significant figure is the first non-zero digit in the number when counting from the left. Okay, let's go to first number given. That is 2305. Then we start counting from left to right. So what is the first non-zero digit? That is 2. Then 2 is 1 SF. 1 SF. 2 is the first SF. Then 3 second SF. 0 third SF. And 5 fourth SF. Okay, let's go to the second number. So we're counting from left. So you can see here 0 digits starting 0, then also 0. Then we have non-zero digit, that is 5. Then that is our first SF, 1 SF. Then 3 is the second SF. Then 2 is third SF. First example, write the following numbers correct to 3 SF. So what is the first number? That is 1245. I'm going to write that number A 1245. Then first non-zero digit, that is 1. So we need to find this third SF. So first SF, second SF, third SF. So I'm gonna underline the third SF. Then after that I'm going to put a separation like this. Okay, I underlined third SF and after that I put a small separation. So we check the digit right after the separation. If it is 5 or more, we add 1 to the underline. So it is 5 here, right after the separation it is 5. So we add 1 to the underline. Then we write here 124, add 1, that is 125. Then after the separation, all the digits must be 0. So here we have 5. After the separation, that has to be 0. B, that is 3437. So what is the third SF? 1, 2, 3. Then after that, separation. Then we check the digit right after the separation, that is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, we have to add 1 to the underlined digit. So that is 343, add 1, 344. Then what do you do? We check after the separation how many digits. It is only one digit, that is 7. That we write as 0. Okay, C 54,226. So what is the third SF? 1, 2, 3. Then after that, separation. Okay, then we check right after the separation digit, that is less than 5. If it is less than 5, you don't need to add 1 to underline. We leave it as it is. So has to be 542. Then after the separation, we have 2 digits, then all of them 0. Next example, that is write 0.02857 correct to 1SF, 2SF and 3SF. Okay, first of all, we write the number 0.02857. Then first SF. So first of all, we need to find this first SF here. So we have 0 digits starting, then we forget them. Then what is the first non-zero digit here? That is 2. We underline that. Then after that, we put a small separation. Okay, then we check the number right after the separation. It is 8, it is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, we have to add 1 to this digit. Then this becomes 0.03. Then after the separation, all the digits 0. You can write zeros if you want. Since it's a decimal, if you don't write it, that's also okay, since this is decimal. Okay, so the answer is 0.03. B, given number again, that is 0.02857. Then second SF. This is first, this is second. After that, I'm going to put a separation. Then after the separation, I check the number. What is that number? It is 5. If it is 5, we have to add 1 to the underlined digit. Add 1. Then this becomes 0.029. Earlier 28, add 1 to 9. Then after the separation, digit 0. So since it's decimal, we can write 0.029. No need these zeros. C. So I'm going to write the given number again, that is 0.02857. So we need to find third SF. 1, 2, 3. That is 5. After that, I'm going to put a separation. Then check the digit right after the separation, that is 7. That is more than 5. If it is more than 5, what do? We have to add 1 to the underlined digit. So this becomes 0.0286. 285 add 1, 286, and after the separation, 0. Since this is decimal number, we can write 0.0286. No need this 0. Next, we are going to learn decimal places. So first decimal place is the first digit right after the decimal point. So it is 0.0245. So this is the first decimal place. This is second, this is third, this is fourth. First DP, second DP, third DP, and fourth DP. Right after the decimal place, that is first DP. Okay, example, write correct to 2 DP, 2 decimal places. What is the first number given? That is 0.045. Then 2 DP. So we need to find second decimal place. So this is first, this is second. Second one I underline. And after that, I'm going to put a separation. Then I check the number right after the separation, that is 5. If the number right after the separation is 5 or more, we have to add 1 to the underline. So it is 5, then we have to add 1. So the answer is 0.05. Then after the separation, digit has to be 0. Then B, that is 1.259. So 2 DP, 2 decimal places. So this is first decimal place, this is second. I underline the second, and after that I'm going to put a separation. Then right after the separation, it is more than 5. If it is more than 5, we have to add 1 to the underline. So this becomes 1.26, and after the separation it is 0. Okay, then C, 0.994. So what is the second DP? First DP, second DP. Underline that, and after that separation. Then right after the separation digit, I'm going to check that is less than 5. If it is less than 5, you don't need to add 1 to underline. You leave it as it is. So 0.99, and after the separation 0. One digit, that has to be 0. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.